Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. Today we are going to see one important concept in astrology. We are going to see more information about Karkamsha Lagna. Those of you who have been following astrology for a while, they know every astrologer analyzes horoscope with different lagnas. The Janma Lagna, Chandra Lagna, Arudha Lagna, and one more important Lagna, that is Karkamsha Lagna. Before moving on to Karkamsha Lagna, we'll see the concept of Atma Karka. Every person is born with a purpose, and that purpose is decided by the planet with highest degrees in their horoscope. For example, someone has Sun at a degrees of 28. If you have Jupiter at degrees of 26, or you have Moon at degrees of 12, then Sun becomes the planet with highest degrees. If you have your horoscope or if you have table with all planets and their degrees, find out a planet which has highest degrees. It is not necessary that planet will have degrees above 25 only. No, you could have planets within first 10 degrees and the highest planet could be having degrees of 10 degrees, and that is okay. Find out the planet which has highest degrees. We are looking at 7 planets. So don't look at Rahu and Ketu. And that planet with the highest degree in your horoscope is known as Atma Karak planet. It is the planet which is going to give you purpose of this life. Along with Rahu Ketu, you will try to achieve that goal. If your horoscope has Sun as highest degrees, then Sun becomes Atma Karak planet. If in a horoscope Moon has maximum degrees, then Moon becomes Atma Karak planet for that horoscope. Now, if you have your horoscope report, astrology report, then there is a chart that is known as Navamansha chart. We see the placement of this Atma Karak planet into this D9 or Navamansha chart. For example, if you have Moon at the highest degrees in your D1 Janam Kundali, and this Moon is placed in the Cancer sign in D9 Navamansha, then Cancer becomes your Karkamsha Lagna. The sign where Atma Karak planet is placed in the D9 is known as Karkamsha Lagna. This Lagna could be same as your D1 chart Lagna. It could be same as where Moon is placed in your D1 chart, or it can be different from these two. But whenever someone is looking at analyzing any horoscope, they should check what is this Karkamsha Lagna, because it will give you a clue about what this native can do after marriage, or what kind of strength their major planet is getting. What are the fruits of that major planet that they will get in this lifetime can be found out from Karkamsha Lagna. There is always a strong correlation between your Lagna, your moon sign, your Karkamsha Lagna, as well as your Dashansha chart. That means the karmas that someone is here to carry out, they are connected with these Lagna placements. So if you are a person who is trying to learn about astrology, don't forget to see where your Karkamsha Lagna is. That will give a good clue about what type of fruits you will get of your efforts. Many astrologers can have Scorpio as their Karkamsha Lagna. Many researchers or surgeons can have Scorpio as their Karkansha Lagna. On the other hand, many politicians can have Leo as their Karkansha Lagna, or any entertainers, actors, actresses can have Leo as their Karkansha Lagna. If somebody has Capricorn as their Karkansha Lagna, it means they are born to have rise in their social status. If somebody has Karkansha Lagna in a Virgo sign, that means they will get benefits through serving others. And serving doesn't mean they are going to be working as servants only. No, in fact, serving has higher meaning about helping others, supporting others. It is about carrying out tasks for others to gain your own status. So don't forget to see what is Karkansha Lagna for native. Hope this helps you to understand the basics of astrology in depth. If you want to know more about your horoscope, please send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com and I'll be more than happy to do a reading. Please share this video with friends, like this video, comment on this video if you have noticed anything specific related to your Karkansha Lagna. And if you haven't, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you, Namaste and Shubham Bhavatu.